Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AstroPepeX token. Ticker symbol is APX. This token just got listed on a couple different central exchanges. One of the exchanges has ticker symbol APX1 as the ticker symbol. That's probably because another token has APX as well on that central exchange, but we're going to go over the information on the AstroPepeX token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, AstroPepeX, got listed today at, today as of recording this video, it's September 20th. They got listed today, September 20th at 7:30 UTC time on a central exchange called LBANK. So you can get this token on LBANK. You just download LBANK from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search APX, and then simply just buy the token. So yes, you can get this off of LBANK starting today. One other way to get this token is that this token just got listed today, September 20th at 13:15 hours UTC time, on a central exchange called MEXC Global. Now, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do use that account, that exchange myself, and I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You can use that if you like. So how you'd get this token is basically just go through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search APX, and then the number 1, and then buy the token. So those are two different ways to get this token. Now, their Twitter is part of a, is the person who made the token, but they're also involved in a whole bunch of other stuff. So their Twitter is going to be up in the corner there, and it's at croissant, which is a French pastry type bun, at croissant ETH. And they tweeted recently, this was, I'm not sure the date of this here, within the last day or two. It says, croissant ETH, it says, "It's time to let GPT take over. I just ran the script and created it, AstroPepeX, with a total supply of 65 billion AstroPepeX tokens, ticker symbol APX." Then it has the contract address. And it says, "Note, there is a required condition that limits transfers greater than 0.5% of the supply. Enjoy." So that is a recent tweet within the last day or two from at croissant ETH. So go check out their Twitter there. And their Twitter has 114,900 Twitter followers. And their official webpage is pastry.xyz. But that is not AstroPepeX's website. AstroPepeX has their own website. But yeah, so it says, "Writer of threads, baker of breads." And yeah. So a pretty cool Twitter here. You could check out their Twitter. They have all sorts of cool stuff on here. But like their latest project here from this croissant person was the AstroPepeX token. And yeah, so there it is. Anyways, so this token looks like it may have been created solely by GPT. if I'm not mistaken. This other thread here looks like they created a token using GPT, and this is most likely it here. But anyways, let's go to their webpage. So if you go over to their official webpage at AstroPepeX.com, yeah, so it's AI generated. So it says the world's first completely AI generated cryptocurrency. Now, I don't know if that's true, because I do remember a guy making a token called the Turbo token, if you guys remember that. And he basically asked ChatGPT to create him a token. I think he said, create me a token using under $500 and make it a, $50 million meme coin or something like that. And they created the Turbo token. So I do believe that may have been the first one. I'm not sure if that differs from this one, but that's what this token is supposedly. And they have the contract. They don't have much information on their webpage, but they do have some links that you could check out. So they have a link to Uniswap where you can get the token, a link to a Telegram, and a link to a Twitter, which is the Croissant ETH Twitter. They have a contact email, AstroPepeX@gmail.com, and then they have a DEX tools chart. Now, the cool thing about the DEX tools chart is that you can click on the DEX tools chart, and it's got some security features on DEX tools. So you can go over the security somewhat. It's not a full audit, but you can check out the security of this, fully AI generated GPT token here. So it says right now their total market cap on Uniswap is $2.91 million, $228,000 worth of liquidity. Total supply 65 billion tokens. Right now they have 2,150 holders, a 24-hour trading volume of $13.46 million. They have a DEX score of 79 out of 99. Now, it says check audits. So you click on check audits. It does say contract verified, no honeypot, no buy and sell tax, no proxy contract. But right here it says mintable yes. It doesn't have a red flag, but there is an exclamation point on it. And it does have an exclamation point on balance being modifiable, but it says no. But it does say mintable yes, so I wonder how much tokens they can mint and how that works. Tax is not modifiable, no pausing transfers, no blacklists, no whitelists. So yeah. Besides, there's no red flags on here, so that's good. Nothing real bad. It's got a 95.2% community trust score out of 42 votes. But yeah, very much just a meme token created from ChatGPT. Their Twitter or their Telegram has 349 subscribers. So you can check out the actual prompt too that they gave this token on Croissant's Twitter there. So it says, here's a high-level breakdown, and it goes through the functionalities, main execution, final execution, gives all the prompts that they basically gave to the GPT there, show you how they made it. Go check it out. This token is available on LBANK, probably other exchanges as well, but these are the ones that I've seen so far today, and MEXC Global. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.